Unlike manual extrusion in edit mode, extruding faces in geometry nodes doesn't create a fully enclosed object. We'll look at how to solve that in this video. Start with a new file. Add a new node tree. Add a mesh line node and connect to the output. Add a split edge node. A scale elements node. And a extrude mesh node. Change the scale elements type to edge. Set the mesh line vertex count to 4. Set scale in scale elements to 0.8. Change the extrude mesh mode to edges. Add a vector node and connect it to offset. Set the X value to 1. Now the edges have extruded to make 1 meter faces. Now I would like to extrude the faces on Y-axis. Let's add another extrude mesh for that. Duplicate the vector node, set Y to 1 and X and Y axis to 0. Connect it to offset. Change the mode type to faces. You can see that the original face is missing. The remaining 5 faces are present. Let's add a set shade smooth to make it more visible. Uncheck shade smooth to shade flat. Now we can see the missing original face clearly. We can solve this problem by joining original face with extruded face. Add a join geometry node and connect both extrude mesh nodes output to it. Then join geometry output to set shade smooth. Now we have proper cubes. Let's see what happens when we add a subdivision modifier node. The original faces and new faces are impacted differently. This is because the vertices of original faces and new extruded faces are not connected. To merge the vertices, let's add a merge by distance after join geometry. Now the faces are merged, but the appearance is still distorted. This is because of the face orientation. Let's check face orientation option in the overlays menu. We can see that the normals of the extruded faces are flipped. Red indicates inward facing or flipped normals, while blue indicates the correct outward facing side. To fix this, we need to add a flip faces node after the extrude mesh for faces. Now the cubes are being deformed appropriately by subdivision. Let's adjust the edge crease and level in subdivision surface. This looks great. This is the final node setup for fixing the missing original face after extrusion. Thank you for watching.